So here we are at the Bata waterfalls in Sukhumvit Soi 15. Good morning. It's the 20th of March. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. And today is the first day with some proper rain. Obviously, I'm out and about filming it, so I'm just gonna walk a little bit here along Sukhumvit Soi 11 and Sukhumvit Road. This doesn't mean that the raining season started. This is just one day of rain probably. But as you can see, especially the first day of rain, it starts to flood pretty quickly. The predictions for tomorrow are actually sunny, so let's see how that works out. But anyway, yeah, and with this kind of weather, traffic always gridlocks, and it's very simple. Normally people do not mind to take a bus or walk, but when it rains, everybody jumps in the car or takes a taxi. You have your local waterfalls. The drain pipes are already starting to flood, so I guess the road is gonna flood soon as well, because it actually just started maybe 10 minutes ago. So here we are at the Bata waterfalls in Sukhumvit Soi 15, well, on the corner. As you can see, it's laying down a little bit already. You know, that's always the thing with the rain in Bangkok. It's always 10-15 minutes and then it lays down, and if I come back here this afternoon it might be completely sunny and dry. So if you guys were wondering how I walk through this kind of weather, I have these, what are these, hiking shoes that you can also use in the mud. It makes me walk easily. You know what I always realize, after the rain you get a very nice shine. You know, it's perfect for filming. By the way, this is where the buses pick up the students of the NIST school. If you have kids on NIST, they can travel here to Asok station and then take the bus to the school. But as you can see, traffic is completely at a standstill now. Don't need this one anymore. As you can see, I have a new one. Whoa. Are you ready to rumble? Okay, so I will finish my video right here. I hope you enjoyed this rain video in Sukhumvit, the first rain of the year. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.